So we're coming into Dandasana, and I do recommend sitting on a blanket or two so you're lifted out of your lower back. Do get right on top of your sitting bones. So in Dandasana, get rooted through your sit bones. Legs are straight. As you make your legs heavier, lift your sternum away from your navel. Take your hands by your sides, either fingers facing forward or hands turned back and slightly away from you if you need a little extra lift in your chest. Dandasana. Keeping the staff-like position, bend your left leg. Place your foot high up on your thigh, setting up for Janu Sirsasana. If you need support for your knee and it's not resting on the floor, go ahead and slide a block underneath so that you're not getting grippy in your groin and there's no strain in your knee. Now in Janu Sirsasana, we're going to build a twist first before we forward bend. Please take your left hand to your right knee and bring your right hand behind you for support. Remember the twist we started with. So we want to create a central axis, keeping your torso completely upright. Use an inhale to lengthen the spine. And as you exhale, you twist. Again, inhale. Twist again as you exhale. And one more time, inhale. Exhale, twist. Take your gaze forward. Gaze at your right big toe. There's a tendency to lead with the neck. Keep your gaze at your right big toe so you're not tempted to do so. Now, keeping your torso twisted and your gaze at your right big toe, start to hinge from your hips, grab onto your foot, or use a strap around your foot. Keep finding that rotation. It's subtle, but the left ribs roll down towards the right leg. Right ribs roll away from the right leg. Stay to exhale here. And as you inhale, bring your gaze up. Exhale, come all the way up. Straighten out your right leg. Bend your left. Get right on top of your sitting bones. And if you need your block underneath your knee, please feel free to do so. First twisting, take your right hand to your left knee, left hand behind you. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, twist. Again, inhale. Exhale, find the rotation, pivot around. And once more like that. Inhale. Exhale and twist. Now inhale, bring your gaze to your left big toe. Don't lose that gaze. As you exhale, keep your torso slightly twisting to the left, but not initiated by the neck. Gaze at your left big toe. Hold on to your foot or a strap around your foot. Inhale, emphasize to lengthen your spine one more time, and then exhale, come forward. So this is a great pose to really release the entire back body. Not just your hamstrings, but also your spine. Let your breath get softer and softer. On your next inhale, bring your gaze up. Exhale, come all the way up. Straighten out your right leg. Come back to zero. Dandasana.